Welcome to MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota GR Camry, a car that redefines performance, style, and everyday practicality. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or just love cutting-edge automotive tech, this video is for you. Let's get started. Toyota has truly outdone themselves with the GR Camry's design. Up front, we have a bold grille inspired by Toyota's racing pedigree, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines scream performance, while the 19-inch forged alloy wheels add a touch of elegance. The rear end features a sporty spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and an aggressive diffuser, hinting at the beast within. This is no ordinary sedan, it's built for those who crave the thrill of the road. Under the hood, the 2025 GR Camry packs a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 350 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, this car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. That's supercar territory for a family sedan. The suspension has been tuned by Toyota's Gazoo racing team, offering a perfect balance between corner-carving precision and everyday comfort. Plus, with adaptive dampers, you can switch between sport, comfort, and eco modes with the touch of a button. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The GR Camry features Alcantara-trimmed sports seats with red stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and carbon fiber accents throughout. It's as luxurious as it is sporty. The centerpiece of the interior is a massive 14-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 12-speaker JBL sound system. The fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance metrics, making every drive an engaging experience. Safety is always a priority with Toyota. The GR Camry comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. It's a sports car that doesn't compromise on family-friendly features. Despite its sporty demeanor, the GR Camry is still a practical sedan, offering ample trunk space and comfortable seating for 5. Whether it's a road trip or a grocery run, this car has you covered. The 2025 Toyota GR Camry starts at $45,000, making it one of the most affordable performance sedans in its class. With its perfect blend of power, style, and practicality, it's a game-changer for enthusiasts and families alike. So, what do you think about the 2025 GR Camry? Is this the ultimate everyday performance sedan? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you next time.